Hi, my name is Chantal, otherwise known as Hot Pink Lipstick on Instagram. So I am here today just to show you guys a new hairpiece that I've bought from Pretty Party, and this is the lovely little bag that it came in. There's a bit of a long story to my hair because I always had long, blonde, beautiful hair pretty much all of my life until lockdown happened. And through stress and God knows what else, my hair started to thin out. It started to fall out in certain places and it started to worry me. It was really, really upsetting. One day I got really brave and I shaved it. Yeah, I shaved all of it, all of my hair to number 2, buzz cut all over. And I kept on doing that until my hair seemed to be growing back. Then for the past 1 year and 3 months, I have grown my hair and not cut it, and this is the length that it is at now. I will show you guys a picture of what my hair looked like when I had no hair and what it looked like before when I had long blonde hair. As you can see, it is still quite short even after just over a year. So what I thought I would do is try something temporary just to see what it looks like. I've ordered these ponytail pieces from Pretty Party, and these ones are called the Ruby. They're the long, layered, smooth ponytail, and I'm going to open the bag and show you. They actually sent me a few accessories as well, which is really exciting. I've got this, which is a large black hair scrunchie, and I've also got a little kit that has some hair clips and a hair band, which might come in useful when I'm fitting it. I'm not sure yet because I'm not sure how this is going to go. And the ponytails themselves, I ordered 2 because I thought that it might need to look quite thick to kind of replicate what my hair looked like before. So when I pull them out of the bag, this is what it looks like. They are on wires, so they are bendy. You can see this is so long, way too long, but apparently you can adjust the length as you wrap it around your ponytail. So in the middle, there's like a wire that goes to about this length here, and it's bendy and it stays in place. So for example, if I show you now me bending it, it stays in place. What I'm going to try and do is get my hair into a ponytail, which is difficult because it's so short. And I'm going to use for that some non-slip little bands, just because my hair is so short and slippy, it's going to need more than that one band to hold it up into a ponytail. I'm going to try that and let you know how it goes. I've got my bands. I'm going to use 2 of them just to make sure that it's got enough grip. And you'll see what I mean by my hair being slippy and it still being so short it's hard to get into a band. So I'm going to use both bands at once, and I'm just going to turn my head so you can see how short it actually is when it's in a band. So I'm going to need lots of clips as well. I'm going to start with one ponytail just to see what it looks like, and then I can try 2. I might be able to try different styles like pigtails or a sort of messy bun. So what you're supposed to be able to do is pop this bit through your ponytail. So I'm doing that, I'm pushing it through until I'm near the end of the wire, and then I'm grabbing the end and I'm wrapping it round, and we'll see what this looks like when I get to the end of it. It feels okay. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall straight out, but it doesn't feel 100% secure. This is what it looks like. I think the colour's quite nice actually. It's a little bit lighter than my hair, but my hair has highlights in it, so my hair is sort of all different shades. I quite like the way it looks. I do feel that it is a little bit thin, so maybe it was a good idea to get the 2 of them. Whether or not my hair will hold the 2 of them being so short, I'm not really sure. I'll take this out and I'm going to put in 2 together. So I'm just going to remove the bands and put them in again so it's a little bit tighter. I believe there's another way you can do a really high ponytail as well. Maybe I'll try that. I'm not sure my hair will stay because it might be a little bit too short at the end. Okay, so I have the 2 of them together now. I'm going to wrap these around each other, and then I'm going to put that through and then do the same thing that I did before, but it's just going to be as a higher ponytail. Okay, it won't go through. I don't know whether I need to put them both through separately. Okay, I'm going to try that again. I'm going to do them separately. I'm going to pop that one through at an angle perhaps, and then I'm going to do the other one and put that through at an angle too, and then hopefully join them both together. This one doesn't want to behave, it's still a little bit bent from before, I think. Pop it through. Okay, so I've got the other one and I've popped that through. You can see my actual ponytail. Now I'm going to twist them together. Okay, I'm going to flip these ponytails forward and pull it through a bit more and then wrap it all around like this. Okay, it does look like a nice high pony. It doesn't feel secure. I think my hair is a little bit too short to hold the weight, but they did give me some clips in this little pack, so I'm going to try that. I think if you've already got long hair already, but you want to add volume and length, then these are absolutely ideal and you won't have any issue. But if you've got short hair like mine at the moment, it might take a little bit of practice to get the hang of it. It feels a bit more secure. Let's try another pin at the back. Okay, yeah, that's better. And these are quite nice because they actually are in the colour that I wanted. So they're going to hide in my hair. Oh, that feels a lot more secure. I'm just going to add another pin. I'm not sure with the two of them and the high ponytail that this really suits me. I think I prefer the lower one and I might try that as well. But I certainly do like having more hair. Let's try another look. I'm just going to remove hair like I did before, but I'm removing all the clips first because it did actually really hold it. They don't want to budge without the clips coming out. So fully recommend if you do get the starter kit, you actually get a few accessories as well. And that's really going to help. Can't even get them out now. They are really good, these clips. They are really staying in. Okay, I actually preferred, for me, not the high ponytail. I don't think it really suited me at all. It didn't feel secure. It felt better with the clips in. They do say that these are super easy to put in, and I think they probably are if you don't have hair like mine. If you have slightly longer hair, probably much easier. I'm going to go for that lower ponytail again. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing at the back. These little bands, by the way, you can pick them up anywhere, but some of them are really not that strong. Don't buy the cheap ones, they will just snap. The ones I've got are from Boots. They are a little bit pricey, but they are the non-slip bands and you get 150 in a pack. So considering that actually with other brands I can't even use them more than once and they snap, and yet I can reuse these time and time again, I think they are a bargain. Okay, I'm going to go with one. So I'm trying one again because I really did prefer it. Taking it maybe halfway round and wrapping it, and I think now that this, if I can disguise my actual hair underneath, I know you can clip it back, but my hair's just a bit too short to do that. I really, really like it like this. This is for me sort of a temporary solution. I am going to be getting extensions, but I just wanted to see what it would look like, whether the product is worth the hype. I do believe that they are good. They don't look really fake. The colour match isn't bad. This isn't bad at all. I think I got sort of a medium blonde. But there are lots of different shades that you can choose from, and they do a colour match as well. So if you're really not sure what colour you're going to buy, you can get some help with that online. I feel like I could go out in this and not be thinking, oh, are people looking at me? Do they think it's fake? I really like it. I think I would add a clip to the front, hold that bit back. One of the clips as well to the top side, just to hold these bits back a bit as well. I actually feel quite satisfied with this. So don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me in the comments what you think about this.